Evening children, hope you're all doing good. In today's social class, we are going to learn about a new lesson in history. The name of the lesson is The Stone Age and the Earliest Societies. Come on children, let's start the class. Historians believe that human beings first appeared on earth about 1.5 million years ago. 1 million means 10 lakh. The development of human beings on this earth is a very interesting process. The earliest humans were food gatherers, hunters, and nomads. Always in search of food and shelter, they traveled from one place to another, hunted animals, and gathered fruits, seeds, roots, and nuts. When there was a shortage of animals or plants in one area, they moved to another area in search of food. They considered it safer to move in groups rather than wander about all alone. A group generally consisted of a few men and women and children who stayed together with the elders. Early humans led a primitive life. They remained without clothes during summer, but in the winter season, they wore animal skins, leaves, and the bark of trees to keep themselves safe from severe cold. They used to spend their nights on trees or on rock shelters and caves that protected them from wild animals when asleep. Let us discuss how do we know about these people. We come to know a lot about the earliest human beings from their evidences in the form of stone tools and weapons. During the prehistoric period, the human beings defended themselves against all the type of wild animals using stones by attacking them to handle the weapons. The handles were made of bones or wood, and by making weapons in the form of spears and axes. They also hunted animals with these weapons. The stones helped early humans in different ways. For example, the stones were used to hunt animals. They were used to remove the skin of animals, to cut the meat and bones. The stones were used to cut trees and to clear forests. So, by cutting the trees and clearing forests, they can make some residential place there. Wonderful to know. Hominids. According to scientists, hominids were not human beings but were similar to human beings. Most of the scientists think that human beings developed or evolved from them. Let us learn about the Stone Age. The main object used by early humans was stone. They depended on stones for their survival. That is why this period is called as the Stone Age. On the basis of development of different stone tools, anthropologists have divided the Stone Age into different stages. Stone Age is classified into 3 sub-periods on the basis of the type and quality of stone tools used by early humans. The first one is Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. The second one is Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. The third one is Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Now let us learn about the Paleolithic Age. It is considered that evolution of mankind started in this period. It roughly began around 5 lakh BC and ended around 10,000 BCE. This period is further subdivided into 3 phases on the basis of the changes in climate and stone tools used. The division is as follows: Lower Paleolithic Age or Early Old Stone Age, Middle Paleolithic Age or Middle Old Stone Age, Upper Paleolithic Age or Upper Old Stone Age. Let us discuss about the Lower Paleolithic Age. This age is considered as the formative age. During this age, many parts of the earth were covered heavily with ice and the climate was extremely cold. Geologists define this cold period as Ice Age or Pleistocene period. The most common tool of this age was the hand axe, which was mainly used for chopping trees and hunting animals. Therefore, these tools are known as choppers. In India, these tools were mainly found in Punjab and on the banks of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Let us learn about the Middle Paleolithic Age. The main tools of this period were the different types of borers and scrapers made of stone. These tools have been found from different parts of India. That includes the banks of river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh and Son Valley in Punjab. Let us discuss about the Upper Paleolithic Age. The Upper Paleolithic Age is the final phase of the Ice Age. This age just ends at the onset of agriculture. During this age, the climate changed dramatically. From cold, it became warm. The tools used by humans during this age were blades and burins. Wonderful to know. Paleo means old, Meso means middle, and Neo means new. Lithic comes from the Greek word lithos meaning stone. Dear children, I hope the content is clear to you. If you have any doubts, please clarify during the online session. Thank you.